light-producing organs on its head entice prey towards fearsome teeth. The deep ocean is by far the largest habitat for life on Earth, and home to some of the most bizarre hunters of all. Down here, food is much scarcer than at the surface, so deep-sea predators must do all they can to save precious energy. Waiting patiently, a viper fish. Special light-producing organs on its head entice prey towards fearsome teeth. Strange yet deadly jelly hunters also live here. Most simply drift, trailing tentacles loaded with lethal stings. Others, propelled by lines